Pertronix booth here at SEMA in Las Vegas. I got my buddy Greg here to tell us about the new Pertronix. It's the digital HP mobile. Tell us about this new technology, would you?
Well, Jeff, thanks for being here today. And yeah, Pertronix Ignition Products is really proud to announce the brand new digital HP mobile. This is a revolutionary item in the CDI ignition box market. What we have done is we have enabled our CDI box that we've released to the market a couple of years ago called the Digital HP, now giving it Bluetooth wireless technology. So you have the capability to completely set all the program settings within the Digital HP ignition box, all from your Android-based app or iOS Apple application.
That's unbelievable. Super cool stuff. And from what I've heard, it can kind of act as a security device for the car as well.
We went over the top. It's one thing to be able to control that box, program that box, and load different settings with it, but we wanted to give a little bit more. So yeah, we have a complete security setup in it. So we have valet modes, which allow you to set rev limits for those times when you pass your keys off to your local tire dealer. And you have the ability to completely deactivate all of the ignition components, so the car can't be started. Even if you left the keys in the ignition, you can actually completely deactivate the ignition within the vehicle.
I think it's pretty cool. I know a couple years ago with the regular, not the mobile device, but you could manipulate all the RPMs and all those things, but you had to do it manually. Now, you don't even have to touch it. You just go to your cell phone and work your magic through the cell phone.
The neat thing is the days of putting an ignition box on your firewall are over with. People want to hide all that stuff. They want all the advantages of late model electronic ignition, but they want it hidden. They want that look and feel of a classic muscle car. So you can take this small form factor HP box and hide it anywhere in the car, and now you don't even need to get to the dip switches to program the settings. Just bring on your Bluetooth activated device, access the digital HP, set all your settings, security modes, rev limits, everything you need to do.
Unbelievable. So like with the new Camaro, I know you can fiddle about and make the different colors on the interior. You can do the same thing with this?
Very similar, exactly. We've got 4 preloaded skins within the app, so it allows you to do a vintage look, or for the more late model want to look and feel, resto mod type stuff. We've got carbon fiber backgrounds. I've even got a Jaguar looking background with a wonderful burl wood. I think you'll love it.
Thank you so much for taking us through this. And again, where can we find this online?
You'll be able to find that at Pertronix.com.